Hey guys, Dave here again, and hey, I have another amazing tip for you. We just finished day one of our 2-day lighting class, and this is one of the questions that came up today in class. What is the correct camera height for doing a headshot? So let me show you a real simple method to determine the best camera height for doing a headshot. And basically what you want to do is draw an imaginary line from ear to ear, and it should intersect just underneath the nose. So I have Nicole here. She's our amazing model, and she's going to demonstrate too high of a chin or too low of a chin. So let's raise your chin up a little bit. Good. And here's my shot. Now look at the back of the camera here. If I line up her ears, I don't come anywhere near her nose. Obviously, her chin is up way too high. Let's do the opposite. Drop your chin down. Good. Look in here. And again, if I draw a line from ear to ear, I come through her nose. Obviously, her chin is way too low. So let me go halfway. I'm going to watch the line from her ear, imaginary line from her ear to her nose. And right there, touching her nose, that is the perfect head height for doing a headshot. So, join me next time. Hopefully I'll have another tip for you, and I'll see you soon.